Space is a place of wonder, but it's also one of the most hostile environments for humans. What if an astronaut became stuck, floating helplessly in space, without a tether or a way back to safety? In today's video, we'll explore exactly what would happen to the human body if someone was stranded in the vacuum of space. In space, there's no air, no atmospheric pressure, and no oxygen, things that are crucial for human survival. If an astronaut were to be stuck outside their spacecraft, the first and most immediate threat would be the lack of oxygen. Without a constant supply of air, the person would only have about 15 seconds of consciousness before passing out. This is because the oxygen in the bloodstream would be used up very quickly, causing the brain to shut down. Now, you might think they'd freeze instantly or explode, but that's not the case. Without the pressure of the Earth's atmosphere, the gases inside the human body, like oxygen and nitrogen, would begin to expand. The first danger would be to the lungs. If the person tried to hold their breath, it could be fatal. The expanding gases would rupture their lungs, causing severe damage. The best chance of survival, if someone knew they were about to be exposed to space, would be to exhale completely and avoid holding any air inside their lungs. The lack of external pressure would also cause bodily fluids, such as water, to start vaporizing. This includes the water in your blood and tissues. The body would begin to swell as a result, but thanks to the elasticity of human skin, you wouldn't pop or explode. However, this swelling would be extremely uncomfortable, and without medical attention, the person would experience severe tissue damage and decompression sickness, commonly known as the bends. It's important to remember that space is also filled with dangerous levels of radiation. Without the protective layers of Earth's atmosphere or the shielding of a spacecraft, the body would be exposed to ultraviolet rays from the sun, cosmic radiation, and other harmful forms of radiation. Over time, this could lead to severe burns and cellular damage, though this wouldn't be the immediate cause of death. The body would also be exposed to the extreme cold of space, but freezing wouldn't happen right away. Space is a vacuum, so heat doesn't transfer quickly. You would lose heat slowly, but asphyxiation would kill you long before freezing could. In terms of time, once exposed to space, a person would lose consciousness within 15 seconds due to lack of oxygen. Around 1 minute in, irreversible damage would occur as the brain and other organs begin to shut down. After about 90 seconds to 2 minutes, the person would be dead. There's virtually no chance of survival beyond that point without a rescue within moments of the accident. Even if help arrived quickly, the damage caused by decompression and lack of oxygen could be catastrophic. In short, while spacesuits and safety protocols are designed to protect astronauts from these horrors, getting stuck in space without those protections would be fatal within minutes. The vacuum, lack of oxygen, and radiation make it one of the most unforgiving environments for human life. Being stranded in space is a terrifying thought, and although astronauts are equipped with advanced technology to prevent such accidents, the dangers are very real. Understanding these risks reminds us of how fragile human life is beyond Earth. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into space and science.